Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel and thank you so much for being here. Today we have my Allure beauty box. Can't wait to get in here, so let's check it out. Allure beauty box is $25 per month. You get 3 full-size items guaranteed. Sometimes you might have more than that, but they say you will have at least 3 full-size items. And I think a value of greater than $100. It has been so good lately. I mean, really good. I choose mine through Amazon, but I have to tell you, even I think I'm going to go back to ordering it from Allure because this month, if you got it through Allure, you had a customization choice. I'll show you that when we get there. So it's probably worth going over, signing up through Allure if you want to go ahead and sign up. I will put a link down below. I'm in no way affiliated with them. It's not a link from me. It's just the link to Allure. When we open it up, that is what we have inside. There is a Lush in this box. Stop it. Okay. Class is time. Happy Valentine's Day. Ironically, and this probably won't go up till like next Tuesday, it is Valentine's Day. Happy Valentine's Day, everybody. Late. I hope you had a fantastic Valentine's Day. We're going to start. I know it's one of the good ones, and I usually try and go through some of the small things first, but I talked about it. Let's talk about it. We have Happy Skin, which is an enzymic, is it usually enzymatic? Enzymic facial exfoliator made with gentle exfoliants, fresh juices, and soothing oils. That is what that looks like. I cannot believe we have Lush in here. Technically, this is not full-sized. This is not one of our full-sized items because the Happy Skin at Lush comes in 100 grams, and this is 50 grams. Inside this pot is a balm with a warm, nutty smell and a blend of enzymatic and physical exfoliators that team up to make skin smoother and more radiant. It unclogs pores and brightens with pineapple juice, an excellent source of bromelain enzymes and exfoliating alpha hydroxy acids. The slightly sandy texture and tegua nut powder slough away dead cells and grime, and shea butter adds hydration to seal in your newfound radiance. If it was full-sized 100 grams, it would be $26, so this is $13 worth. It has AHAs in it. Oh, it smells so good. Oh, it has AHAs in it, so technically I shouldn't use it. I still kind of want to because it's just a cleanser, which means I'm gonna rinse it off instantly. I may try it. So if in a couple of days I show up looking like somebody whipped a wet towel in my face, just know I tried it. Okay, next out we have a Jasmine Beauty Brow Styling Wax. That is what that looks like. If you know, I just got the Anastasia Beverly Hills Brow Dip Pomade. Oh, it's sealed. Wonder how long I would have tried that. Brow Dip Pomade. So I will probably set this aside for a giveaway. That is what it looks like. That is what it looks like. It's just like a completely clear jelly. I'm not gonna touch this so that I can pass it along, especially with eye things. Even though it's your brows, I especially don't, no. Jasmine Beauty Brow Boss Styling Wax. Clear brow wax can work wonders, shaping brows and adding just enough volume to beef them up without looking made up. A few swipes is all you need for naturally fuller looking brows. Full price is $20 for 10 grams, and it says we have 5 grams in the box, so again, half the size, $10. That said, these 2 samples are only $2 short of paying for your entire box, and we haven't even gotten to the really good thing yet. I'm saving it for last. Okay, next out, we have Ahava. Ahava Essential Day Moisturizer for normal to dry skin. I don't think that I have ever tried this. I have had this in a box before and the intention of trying it, but I think somebody else I know and love wanted to try it more than me, and I passed it along. This is one of our full-size products, and it says, like cozying up under a soft cashmere throw, this moisturizer feels decadent and calming all at the same time. It rubs in quickly, so it winds up feeling light on the skin, but it's packed with soothing, hydrating ingredients like aloe, vitamin E, and urea, a humectant that also helps exfoliate dry, dead skin cells. It is 75 ml. This is full size and it has a $78 value. So now we've blown the value of the box out of the cart, out of the park. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and put a little bit of this on my hand. We're gonna see what it feels like because I wanted to try it last time and I am definitely gonna try it this time. It's a thick lotion, not quite like a heavy cream. Like I use the Lala Retro and that's a nice thick cream. This isn't quite that heavy. That said, going on, very smooth and creamy. It does not have that smack you in the face Ahava spa scent, you know, that earthy, salty scent that Ahava tends to have. This is much more subtle. It's just very nice, kind of a lotiony scent. Man, my hand feels fantastic. So worst case scenario, I will have a nice $78 hand cream. Okay, next out, we have another sample. It is the Commodity Milk Plus. Again, not gonna spray this. I have a full-sized Commodity Milk. Mine is not the Plus. The Commodity perfumes come in 3 scent strengths. They have a basically only you can smell it, a you and the couple of people around you can smell it, and the Plus, which means welcome to the room, here is my perfume. I have the one where you and a few of you around it. I wish I could think, I'll tell you here. I wish I could think to tell you what that name was, but I don't remember. This is a good sized sample and I love the Commodity Milk. It's usually warm, it's kind of vanilla-y, but not like candy vanilla. It's just very nice. Let's see what the paperwork says. It probably explains it much nicer than I just did. It is the Commodity Milk Plus Bold. This perfume's blend of marshmallow, tonka bean, and milk is comforting, like a vanilla steamer, but still manages to feel cool, nuanced, and grown up. It would be $145 if it was the 100 ml. We have 5 ml, so just, you know, a few dollars worth. Okay, next out, we have the FP Tri-Balm Cleanse, Exfoliate, Moisturize. And it's geranium and mandarin. What is this? It is sealed, so we're going to get in it. Give the ingredients a run through, and I think I can use it. So once we find out what it is a balm of some sort. That is what that looks like. This stick works a bit of magic, cleansing without water and at the same time treating skin to a trio of moisturizing botanical oils, carrot, rice bran, and wheat germ. They don't exactly sound sexy, but they feel heavenly. The stick goes on light and clear. It feels more like a facial oil than a stick, and pumpkin enzymes get to work breaking up grime. The formula wipes or rinses away easily, with those oils leaving you feeling soft and smooth. So you run the stick all over your dry skin and then rinse it away for a hydrating cleanse morning or night. This is full size and has a $40 value. That is interesting. I don't think I would use this. Oh, it smells very nice. Smells kind of like lavender, maybe a little lemongrass. I don't think I would use this, like, I do makeup for my videos, so I don't think I would like use this tonight, or maybe in the morning because then my face is clean. Yeah, maybe in the morning when your face, when you don't have makeup on and that kind of thing. Sounds very interesting. I think probably I will give it a try. And last out, and the gem of the box. And if you subscribe to Allure through the Allure beauty box, not through Amazon, you had control over your color. They offered several colors and you could choose the color you got. I do not because I got mine through Amazon, so I am at the mercy of them. I got it. It's, ooh, pulsing. Rosehip. Rosehip gives me hope. Pulsing makes me a little nervous. It is the Rouge Volupte Shine. I didn't even tell you what it was. It is a YSL lippy in an Allure box. How fantastic is that? Let me read to you about it first and then we will do the, oh my gosh, how beautiful is that packaging component? Yves Saint Laurent Rouge Volupte Shine Lipstick Balm in Pulsing Rosehip. This is exactly the beauty pick-me-up we need during the middle of winter. A dewy lip color that's every bit as gorgeous as the luxe packaging promises, and then some. This rosy color is sheer on the lips and luminous for a fresh look that brightens up complexions and soothes chapped lips in the most chic way. 2 things we need come February. It is full-sized and it has a $43 value. I will let you know here, the value of this box, roundabout, because like with the commodity milk, I have to math it out a little bit, but just in these two, we're at like 178. Oh boy, I think $111 just in those two. Okay, ready? Oh, she's beautiful. I just knew I was going to get some kind of deep brown or something. Look how gorgeous that is. I'm going to go ahead and put it on the back of this hand. Oh, and it's sheer. Oh my goodness. I am going to love this. It's kind of sheer. I went back and forth 1, 2, 3 times to get that buildup of color. It feels like a cross between a very soft, light, gorgeous balm and almost a gloss. It is, oh my gosh. It's Valentine's Day. Happy Valentine's Day to me. This baby is gorgeous. Best thing ever. This alone makes this box worthwhile. Best thing ever that I have gotten in like an Allure box to me. I know we get more expensive things that people probably like more than this, but for me, this is perfection. And I cannot believe that I got it in a color that's perfect for me. That was my Allure beauty box for February. How fantastic was that box? We got our introduction to Lush. It's the Happy Skin. It's an exfoliant. It was a half size, but still $13 worth. The little commodity milk to try in the bold scent. I don't think I've ever used one of the bolds because I do have a couple of people in my life that are scent sensitive, so I try not to go overboard in case I see them. We got this FP Tri Balm to smear all over your face and then just wipe off and you're clean. Definitely gonna give it a try. The Ahava, which my hand is so smooth, honestly, if I can't use it on my face, I'm gonna use it on the back of my hands. The YSL Lippy, I mean, who doesn't want a gorgeous YSL Lippy? And the little Jasmine Brow Pomade. That was a fantastic box. All right, thank you so much for coming by. I appreciate you guys taking the time to be here. If you don't subscribe, I hope you will consider doing so. Give us a thumbs up. It helps us out there on the algorithms if you would. And hit the notification bell so you'll know when I have more videos coming out. Have a fantastic evening, guys, and I can't wait to see you again. Bye. I just turned my camera back on because I wanted to say it in person. I just did the math on this box, and this $25 Allure Beauty box has $201 worth of value in products that I think probably I'm going to try all of. $201 for $25. Winning. Okay, bye.